In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, I'm going to install a new font from fonts.google.com. This is a great place to download or install different type of fonts, so you can do a search here for different type of fonts and you look at trending, etc. So for this demonstration, I want to go ahead and use Libertinus Sans. So I'm going to click onto this, and then on the top right I'm going to click on get font, then I'm going to go ahead and download all. Now once it's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and open up the folder like so, and here it is here, Libertinus Sans. So I'm going to double click into it. Now, depending which one I want to use, so you got bold, italic, regular. I'm just going to do the bold one. So I'm going to double click bold. And now in this box, it's going to have print or install. Go ahead and click on install. And now it's going to go ahead and install this font onto your computer. Once it's finished installing, if we go ahead and click on to install again, it's grayed out, meaning that has been successfully installed onto your PC. Now from here, I'm going to head back to Google Docs. And now if I want to use that new font, I'm going to click onto where it says fonts, click onto more fonts. And now you want to do a search for that font. So if you've forgotten the name of it, we can come back here and we're just going to go back. So this one's called Libertinus Sans. So I'm just going to click into that, copy this, and now do that search, click search. Here it is here. So I'm going to click onto it and then click OK. And now you can see here, if I start typing, it's going to be in that. I'm just going to enter. So now I'm going to choose Libertinus Sans, type in test, can control all and change it to all of that new font that you've just downloaded and installed onto your computer, and now you can use it for Google Docs.